Hi little yogis! Welcome to Wiggle to Zen Kids! Let's slow down for one quick calm breath together. Then get cozy and ready to start our practice. Step your feet a little wide and squat down like a tiny frog, hands together at your heart. Wow, you're strong and steady! Awesome job! Keep your hands on the floor and lift your hips up for our next shape. Make an upside down V, hips high like a mountain. If it feels comfy, let the top of your head touch the floor gently. Super stretchy. Brilliant! Drop your knees down softly and become a strong little table. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Perfect table. Wiggle your fingers. Press the floor. Your arms are superhero arms. Great work! Round your back like a Halloween cat meow time. Push the floor away and make your back round like a rainbow. Tuck your chin and give me your best meow. Amazing meow! Sit your hips back and open your legs wide for a big stretch seat. Sit tall and open your legs wide like a giant letter V. Hands on the floor, chest proud. Look how tall you are. Beautiful slide. Forward and pull gently between your legs. Walk your hands forward, slow and gentle, like a sleepy snail. Relax your shoulders, your stretch is getting stronger. Fantastic bend. One knee in and get ready for a twisty side stretch. One knee bends, the other leg stays long. Reach up tall. Lean and twist softly like you're looking behind a rainbow, so cool. You nailed it! Sit back up and make a smooth side bend on both sides. Sit cross-legged. One hand down, the other arm reaches up and over. Sway like a palm tree in the wind. So graceful, awesome. Come onto your knees. Time to be a brave camel. Knees down, chest open, hands on your hips. Or reach for your heels if comfy. Lift your heart up like you're showing a shiny medal. Wow, incredible! Carefully come down to your tummy. Final power pose is coming. Bend your knees, hold your ankles, and lift like a little rocking boat. You're a flying bow, strong, bright, and brave. finish the whole adventure. Bye-bye, little yogis. You did amazing today if you had fun. Please like the video and subscribe for more yoga adventures, and I'll see you next time.